Hello everyone, in this video we'll create prefabs in our game asset so that we can use it in subsequent part of the game. So first of all, we're going to use the enemy that we have created earlier in the last video. I'm going to select this, make sure now in the inspector I'm selecting the enemy, and from here I will click and drag it into the assets. Okay, so now I'm selecting the enemy in the asset, and if I look at the inspector here, you can see it's actually now a prefab asset, and all the component that is added is already pre-created. So if I were to drag and drop another enemy on the scene, for example in this case I will drag it here, and I'm going to click and drag another one, you can see they are cloned as enemy 1 and enemy 2, and they all share the same component from the prefab. So with this you can use this to create many game objects in the library that you can call out in this later part of the game. So now I'm going to create another one, which is the hero. I'm going to click and drag it into the asset, and now we have both the hero and the enemy prefab. And I'm going to delete away the rest of the, I'm just going to keep it here. Let me click and drag them up a little bit here. Okay, so let's play and test it out. Okay, I think it's not playing for a while. Let's pause it. Okay, let's play again. Yeah, you can see now it's landed on the thing. If I were to drag this up higher, can play it. You can see all my tanks are now dropped onto the scene. So we can use this to easily create duplicates or clones of our game objects. Okay, that's it for this video. Okay, hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.